It is the 5th of June, 2019. We are going to do a little bit of a walkthrough on what I've done so far, which I just realized is missing a couple pieces. So here we have the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus and the TV that it's connected to, and that would be well and good, except if you take a peek at this end, you will see I neglected to put a network cable into it, and I also neglected to put or connect a USB keyboard and a USB mouse. So although I can see something on the screen, I can't actually do anything about it, which isn't really all that helpful. Find a keyboard and a mouse, and I will continue. I cannot locate a keyboard, USB, PS2, or any other kind. I do not appear to have a keyboard. I'm going to take another picture. Here's what the screen looks like after plugging in the mouse. We're going to choose the Raspbian. Recommended a port of Debian stretch for the Raspberry Pi. After you put the little X on, the highlight icon installs, and we're going to hit that. This will install the selected operating systems. All existing data on the drive will be overwritten, including any OSs that are already installed. So I would really rather not do that. I would really rather power it down and make a copy of the microSD so that I'm installing on a backup. It would be nice, I guess, if all of this stuff was reversible. So I'm going to power it down.